Okay, that's pretty much more about what I'm gonna introduce for linked list. And let's play a game with the linked list. This game called Pass the Parcel. And you actually, I think everybody is familiar with them. It's usually played in a party where we are passing the parcel one by one. Usually, where here is we have a music keeper who play the music, and after the music stops, the one get a parcel will do something. So usually we'll let her sing a song or something else. And anyway, we could implement this game with C here and with the linked list. And the logic there is we can build a linked list as a circle of players. So in that case, it's not like in previous example, we have a head and tail of that linked list, but rather we are building them into a circle. So there is no head and tail because in that game, players are passing the parcel one by one as a circle. There's no head and tail. So this is why we have to do that. Then we can generate a random number, which decide how many times we have to pass that parcel among players and along that circle. And then with that number, we can pass them one by one, and until it stops at somewhere at some of the players. That's the one who holds the parcel. Okay, here is the graph describing what kind of data structure we're gonna use. First, we have to declare a new type of strat called player with a name, giving the name of that player, and also there's a pointer we can use for form that circle, as we have mentioned. Here you could see the player has been linked to each other as a circle. So in that case, we can pass the parcel among them along this circle. And here is the code for that game. At the very beginning, we have declared a new type of players as shown in previous slide. And also, we are allocating a new space with for 8 players there. So in that case, we have to decide how many bytes Struct takes with this size off, and then we multiply with 8. And so in that case, we can use that for 8 players. This is a new space. Then we are initializing the names of each player. Here we're just using the player one, player two, player three, and so on and so forth. And we're linking them as a circle. The way we're link them to the circle is when we reach the player 7, player 8. It's actually the last player of that circle. So we are linked them to the player 1. That means the current player here. So it will be set as a circle. Then we're using a loop there to play the game. Here in every round, we are asking the user if she would like to continue. If she would like to continue, we're creating a random number and to indicate how many times we're gonna passing that parcel. Then we're passing the parcel to each of the player by setting the current player to the value of its next player. That means this pointer. So by doing this, it's like the parcel has been passed to the new player. So we're printing out the current holder of that parcel, and every time we are printing this alarm sound. We have used this before. You should be familiar with this. And then we sleep 1 second. So then this go round and round until the number we have passed um, uh, the number of times we have created here with the rand function. Okay, and here is the result of that game. So you will see it from here at the very beginning. We'll continue playing that game. It has been passed from the player one at the very beginning. It's at the hand of the player one. Then it has been passed to the player two, player three, four, and so and seven. So in the second round, so the last holder of the first round is player 7, and then we continue to play that game. So it will be passed to player 8 in the second round. Then it's go on and last holder of that parcel is player 5. You could see it from here sequentially. The player 8 is the last one we have initialized. It's supposed to be the end of that linked list. However, by using this line of code, we're actually linking the player 8 to player 1 by setting its next pointer. So in that case, it's the parcel is passed along the circle, and so that's the reason it goes to player 1 there. And we don't have to care when is the head no when it reaches the end of that list, and in case if you have to use an array to do that, you have to taking care of the end of that array by yourself, but by building them into a circle, and this will be taken care automatically by the program. And you can see from here, and that's has done automatically. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy.